Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Disney, where we have an empty movie theater, but we decided to take out an amazing art store to put in Star Wars merchandise. You seriously have an empty movie theater right over there where you could put all this merchandise and still have Wonder Gallery to feature amazing artists. But now I don't know where they replaced or put all of their work and merchandise. So first thing we're told walking into the store is if you want to buy any of these lightsabers, which are quite pricey, you have to grab a number over at the front and then send it or head over to the counter and they will get you your lightsaber. Over here we have some of the creature merchandise. Baby Yoda as a child. Chewies. First I thought that was Rex the dinosaur from Toy Story. More creatures. I'm gonna do my best not to touch anything because I'm not purchasing anything. And over here you could get kyber crystals. Got your resistance flags, dice, chance cubes, again with the board game, Jedi Temple card mask. And over here you have some toys from the robot shop. Some artwork you can find for the First Order and the Resistance. Lightsabers and robes. Belts over here. Lightsaber belt clips. I honestly don't know what those are. Then you have some of the plush from that one store. I can't remember any of the store's names. And over here you have a little bit more merchandise. I think the Sith mini busts are cool. I personally wouldn't get them. But yeah. So the reason why I'm a little bit bothered by this is because, like I said earlier, we have an empty movie theater down that way. We have an area in between Tortilla Joe's and Splitsville that could hold a store. Now I don't know where I will be able to find the artwork that was in Wonderground Gallery. Is it moved to World of Disney? The line is too long for me to get in right now because I have to leave, but it bums me out for the artists out there because I don't know where their artwork has been moved to or if it got removed. So that's the reason why I'm a little peeved. And don't get me wrong, I'm super happy that the store is doing well because the line is going all the way around, or was going all the way around the building. So it's good to see that it's doing a good job, but I just feel bad for the artists. So now it looks like you could sit inside with most restaurants with Ballast Point. They have the windows open. This is the first time I had seen that, so that's pretty cool. And what upsets me even more now is that I was looking at the restaurant behind me, that it's not 100% perfectly themed for Star Wars, but it could definitely work because it has a store built in to the restaurant. This was our Rainforest Cafe. The store could have gone in there. It's empty space. And there's also empty space right there. And as I showed you in the video before, the intro to the video, I'm sitting right in front of AMC Theaters that sits vacant. Don't do that to the artists. So that will do it for me here at Downtown Disney. Again, I apologize for the rambling and the ranting. I try to be honest and fair in all of my critiques, but the fact that artists are getting really gypped out of other people seeing their artwork is very disappointing. And I hope Disney does bring Wonderground Gallery back and put the Star Wars store somewhere else. Put it where there's an empty lot or store or restaurant, whatever. But with that, I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day.